Geekazine Unbox Me is brought to you by GoToMeeting. Whether you're on a PC, on a Mac, or an iPad, meet with clients anywhere, anytime by starting meetings by going over to GoToMeeting.com. Click the Try It Free Now button and enter in that code PODCAST at checkout. Podcast will get you a 30-day free trial of this great software over at GoToMeeting.com.
Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers here, and we're on a Geekazine unboxing. We have a VIXIA HF R20. I just got it from Best Buy today. I went over yesterday, I went looking for cameras. As you all know, I'm a big Kodak Playtouch camera kind of guy, but I needed something that had a little bit more oomph to it, especially with the zoom-ins. Because even though the Kodak is a great camera, when it comes to zooming in for a tighter, closer shot, it really can't flip the bill until an actual digital or optical zoom is put onto the camera. So I decided to get this camera for my trip to Vegas to Interop, and of course HP Discover and Blog World New York coming up in the next couple months. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this. This is the VIXIA HF R20. Now there's an HF R20 and then there's an HFR, I believe, 41. The other one had, the big difference, $100 difference. The big $100 difference is this has 8 gigabytes worth of memory. That one has 32 gigabytes of memory. Now, of course, the HF R20 has a lot of great stuff. It does a full 1080p, 1920 by 1080 in recording. Has an HD CMOS, it runs AVCHD and takes SDXC cards. Now, which means class 4 cards are better. What I really liked about this was it could actually take 2 cards, and it also had a microphone in, so I can actually control the audio, just like with the Kodak, so I was really happy about that. It zooms into, I believe, was it 28x, and in an advanced zoom, and a 20 times zoom plus an 8 digital zoom, so it'll be great to get some closer shots that I need here. Lots of other great features, but right now we're just going to unbox it and show you everything here. So I'm going to set this down. I'm going to open it up. In here, the first thing we have is the warranty. Fill that out. We have a program called Transfer Utility from Pixela Corporation. Another one that's called Video Browser. And then looks like the instruction manuals and anything, applications and stuff like that VIXIA, that Canon has to offer. And then, of course, the nice little manual and nice cellophane packaging there. We open up the inside of the box, and that's where we see the camera and all the accessory that you might get with it. We'll start with the camera because I'm really excited. And there's bubble wrap too. Bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. Ah, there we go. Woohoo! Anyway, so we pull out the camera. Let's take a look at the camera itself. It's got, like I said, it's got an HD CMOS. We'll just move this over here. We got the wide, the zoom in, zoom out. We've got the start and stop buttons. We got the power button over here. We open it up. We got a touch screen, is my understanding right here. We've got all the options. There's the microphone jack right there. We open this up, and there's where you put in the 2 SD cards. We got USB and HDMI out, auto web, video snap, play button, so on and so forth. So, looks pretty straightforward for a camera. On the other side, we'll close this up. On the other side, we have the DC in, the component out, and the AV out. Now, the battery is down here. Let's just pop that open. And the battery will slide in right there. So we'll put that in. Of course, we got the screw hole so we can put it onto a tripod. And then, of course, the camera. So that's the camera right there. We'll put that right there. We also got some cables. Looks like a USB cable right here and a component cable. Here's the battery right here. Looks pretty small, so I'm wondering how much of a battery life we'll get on that. I know we can get more powerful batteries. We got the DC charger right here. Looks like something for a lanyard strap or a hook-on strap right there. and the HDMI mini cable right there. That's pretty much it. What we're gonna do now, I guess, is we'll put it all together. We'll get this camera charged up, and we'll show you some video using the Canon VIXIA. Let's put the software right there, and the manual right there. That's everything from the VIXIA. We'll get some tests going. We'll see what we can come of it.